guys, welcome to our new class of marine gasoline engines. In this class, we are going to study gasoline engines inboards and outboards, both of them, 4 strokes and 2 strokes. It's a generic class of a marine gasoline engine. This is not a specific certification in Mercury or Yamaha. This is a generic gasoline engine class. In this class, we are going to follow our book, the book of marine gasoline engines. And at the end of the class, we are going to take the ABYC gasoline engine certification. In this class, we are going to prepare our students to take that certification. The instructors, Mr. Rodriguez and me, Danny Rodriguez and me, and also Mr. Glenn Davis, and Robert. 4 generations of excellent mechanics with a lot of experience for you in wonderful videos. We are going to cover all the systems related in gasoline engines, ignition system, fuel system, exhaust system, lubrication systems, cooling systems. And we are going to study in details one per one. We are going to follow the video. Don't forget, follow your roadmap. Printed the roadmap every day. There are videos, conference, and follow day per day in order to avoid inconvenience. In this particular class, we are going to take laboratories 2 days per week. It's a Thursday and Friday with Mr. Rodriguez. Okay, we hope you enjoy this class. Once again, this class is a generic class. At the end of the class, we hope that you do the diagnosis in gasoline engines, inboard and outboards, only using your eyes, ears, feel, and odor. We are going to do diagnosis. We are going to solve it, codes, only using our sense. No scanner. We are going to check the color of the smoke, the temperature, the sound, and with those parameters we can take excellent decisions to avoid and solve problems. Yes, my friends, we are going to explain that if you understand the engine, if you understand the fundamentals of 2-stroke and 4-stroke, you don't need a scanner. You need a scanner in some specific situations to clear the codes, but to solve the problems, to analyze the situation, you need to use your brain. In this class and in the next coming classes, diesel, we are going to follow the same procedure. Because the codes, at the end of the day, are the same. Doesn't matter if the engines are gasoline engines or diesel engines. The protocol of the codes, the OBD2 codes, follow the same procedure. For that reason, at the end of those chapters in both classes, diesel and gasoline, we are going to solve this wonderful poster, the poster of the codes. And we are going to analyze per each code, what is the cause, what is the consequence, and what is the solution per each code. And how can we solve the problem if in the dashboard we have the check engine light indicating that you have one of those codes. We are going to do the same with the analysis of the oil. How important is the oil? How important is analyze the oil on engines, gas and diesel, in order to identify problems. This is the example, guys. When you visit the doctor, immediately you visit the office of the doctor. What is the first step? Blood test. They take the sample of blood, and the next day with the results, the doctor said, you have problem here, you need vitamins, you need this, only checking the results. We are going to do the same in our classes of gasoline and diesel. We are going to take a sample of oil, and if it's possible, a sample of coolant, and send to the laboratory. And as soon as we receive the report, we can analyze the engine, and we can take decisions. The problem is here, the problem is over there, the problem is... Because with the oil sample report and the coolant sample report, oil sample report, and coolant sample report, you can solve it all the problem. This is part of this class and the next coming class, this one. It's a wonderful class. We have great laboratories. Yes, in those laboratories we are going to enjoy the classes of gas and diesel. In this particular class we are going to do laboratories to check compression, to check leaks on lower units, to analyze the timing position, to analyze the oil, the lubrication systems. This is a great class. We hope you enjoy the class. We hope you learn, and we hope you pass the certification. Don't forget, we are going to take the ABYC gasoline certification. Please follow the roadmap, follow the conference. Each Wednesday we have a conference, and the labs normally Thursday and Friday on the building 90A. Thank you. See you soon.